welcome to all the council staff. So, without further ado, would Councillor King, would you like to do a karakia, please? Thank you. Councillors, can you make sure your microphones are on, working, ready for action? And the meeting has been live streamed. Are we good to go? Apologies. We have an apology from His Worship the Mayor, which of course is understandable, and we note that he's doing really well, which is fantastic. So we're delighted with his progress. Any other apologies?
Apology, Madam Chair, from Roseanne Jolins, Councillor Jolins. And can I just take this chance to welcome Joel Richardson into the chamber, who's going to speak to item 4.1.
Absolutely, thank you. Welcome, Joel. Nice to see you. Do we have a mover and a seconder for the apologies, please? Thank you, Councillor Rankin and Councillor Kingy. All those in favour? Against? Right, carried.